Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm gonna be guiding you through how to change language in World of Tanks Blitz game. To change the language setting in World of Tanks, first of all, launch the World of Tanks Blitz game on your device, and from the main screen, go ahead and look for the gear icon at the bottom left corner. Inside the settings menu, go ahead and select Other from the top right hand corner. Under Others, tap on the language option, and from the list of languages available, scroll through the list and choose the language you want to change to. After you do that, click on Apply to save your change. This will restart the game, so click on Continue, and once the game restarts, the World of Tanks Blitz will now run in your selected language. So that is how easy it is. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.